Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nessa. You probably think like, what is going on with my hair? Subscribe to my channel. So no further ado, let's get with the video. So today is not a hair tutorial. It being like a year and a half since I cut my hair. Cut my hair way short. I'll put a clips here how I had it, but I'll put in that one. Sit down, relax, and enjoy my tutorial. I'm gonna show you the braids. So this is the hair braid I am going to use. This is the only one I like. So this is how it looks. This is the conditioner I use. It's a leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture. It's okay. I mean, it do get your hair soft. And then my hair in Blue Magic. I start using this. I like it. It makes your hair soft. And it protects against breakage, mends, split ends, help repair weak and damaged hair, moisturize, detangle, and you have olives, shea butter, beeswax, and herbal extra enchants help reduce breakage along hair to grow longer. So I'm not recommending this to anybody, but it do work for me. It makes my hair really long. If I have any advice about natural hair, it's not the style I'm not worrying about, is to like comb out your hair. What products do you use to make your hair soft? A year and a half of my journey of natural is our organic castor oil. It helps your hair whatever, like you have a little spot or you're trying to get your edges, it grow your hair. Amazon, and you could get it from Walmart. That's a very good recommend somebody for anybody to use it. I like it. Moisturizing oil for hair, skin, DIY products. It's 100% pure, USDA organic, 100% natural, no activates, chemical free. Sunburns, effectively soften, hydrate your skin, face scar, stretch marks, preventing hair loss, which it does. Thickness hair, eyelashes, it does help your eyelashes. Castor oil can also be used to recommend skin infections such as ringworm, athlete feet. Castor oil has a sense effect as well. So this really does work. It does. So this is one side of the hair. It's already done braid with a rubber band. I have like 3 more sections, so I'm going to do the other side and show you guys how I'm doing the rubber band. Like I said, this takes like maybe like this is the styling gel I'm using. It's called African Exene, non-flaky. The rubber band I'm using. Come back and show you how the back part. So I finally finished the hair. This is how it looks. So now I am going to put to use the hook to do the crochet braids. Taking 2 strands of the hair, take the hook and take the latch, put it in here. You put the hook in, so I'm going to take the braid, put it together, then I'm going to put it in the hook, then it's going to latch, and then you pull it all the way. Then you're going to take take these two and you take your hair and you pull it in the hole, and then you take the other two and you pull it, and that's how it goes. Then of course you gotta separate these, like pull them out, because I'm gonna twist them in two. Then I'm gonna take my braid and I'm gonna loose it out. Gel from Caribbean Natural. I'm gonna use this. I'll come back and I'll show you how the front look. So this is the half I have done. They're half, so it's taking me a little longer. So this is how it looks. The hook, put it in, put the braid in hook and latch it and put it. Then I take the two strand and my braid and I pull it in the loop. Then I take in my two strand of here and I'm putting it, twisting it. Then I'm gonna take the hook it between the hair, as you can see. Then I hook it on the hook. Then I put the latch in. Then this is the hair, the loop or the hoop. Then I take this hair, my hair, and two strands of the hair, put it inside the loop. I would say loop. Then I take these two here and I pull it. So I am back. I finished my hair. Well, 9 hours I did my hair and it came out great. I mean, like this is my final look and I am out of here. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get more videos. Bye and good night.